Hi everyone, it's your girl Chef Raquel Fox here again for another spectacular edition of Island Girl Foods TV. Remember, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you're notified every week as I upload new videos. Today is a sensational chicken recipe. In the Bahamas, which is where we're traveling to today, we have what's called steamed chicken. Not to get it confused with a braised chicken, this chicken dish is tomato-based, full with a lot of flavor of herbs, spices, vegetables, and it's usually accompanied by steamed long grain white rice, peas and rice, or in my family, we put it over some sweet Caribbean mashed potatoes. So, we all know that tomato-based sauces is one of the mother sauces. This one is going to be one of your family's favorite, I assure you. So, if you're ready, or if you're going, let's go. To make the chicken marinade, you will need a half cup of red wine vinegar and a quarter cup of RAQUEL'S seasoned salt. You're going to use 8 bone-in chicken thighs. Pour the red wine vinegar over our chicken. To make sure there's no cross-contamination, with your left hand, you will handle the chicken and your right hand will season the chicken with the salt. Flip over on both sides. Season thoroughly and place them on the side on a plate or a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate for 1 hour. For our prep ingredients, 1 medium onion slice. We have a half yellow bell pepper slice, half orange bell pepper slice along with the red and green bell pepper. We have 4 cloves of garlic minced, a quarter cup of Worcester sauce, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 tablespoon diced fresh Italian parsley, 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper finely diced, 2 cups of tomatoes diced. Make sure they're ripe tomatoes. We have a half a cup of ketchup and 1 tablespoon fresh thyme leaves, along with 2 cups of chicken stock heated. Getting started with our dish, we're placing a Dutch oven on medium-high heat with oil. Place our chicken skin side down in the pan to brown. Flip over to brown on the opposite side, approximately 3 minutes per side. Set your par-cooked chicken on a plate lined with paper towels. Add your onions to the oil and saute for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then you'll add all of your bell peppers. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add your garlic. And stir. Add in your tomatoes and cook for approximately 3 minutes. This way, the tomatoes releases its sugars. Add a little of your seasoned salt, approximately a teaspoon. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Add in your chicken stock, then bring up to a boil. Add your ketchup, your Worcester sauce, along with your molasses, and this calls for this zesty, sensational, well-balanced gravy. Now that it's up to a boil, you want to continue to add in your bay leaf and your thyme leaves. Stir. Add your pepper, if using. Once it's up to a boil, add your chicken thighs. Cover with a lid slightly ajar, allowing steam to escape, and lower the heat to simmer for approximately 35 minutes. And when your chicken is done, add the finishing touch of your fresh Italian parsley. I love to bathe my chicken in this sensational, zesty gravy. Steaming is the perfect method for achieving falling off the bone, tender chicken. And here we have it, folks, my luscious Bahamian steamed chicken. And I've paired it with a delicious steamed coconut rice. And of course, in every Caribbean home, there's always sweet plantains. My family are going to be so happy when they come down. I think they're smelling the aromas already. And to see that today I made one of our favorite chicken dishes. So folks, if you enjoyed this recipe, please remember to leave me a comment and let me know what other recipes you would like to see. Until then, everyone, keep safe in isolation. Spend quality time with your family. And I'll see you again next week for another exciting segment of Island Girl Foods TV.